this video, I will show you how to create a list on Goodreads. So first of all, open up your app and from here navigate to the Home tab or Search tab and then click on Title or just go to the book that you want to add to a list. I'm just going to select a book in here. So let's say I want to create a list for this book. Then I can see that this is number 1. So let's click on that book and then you can either click on Want to Read or you can click on the arrow down next to it. And once you do that, you will be able to actually create a new list in here, and that is actually called a tag. So you see that plus button in here. So let's say I want to create a new tag for books like this. Then I'm going to type something in, and then at the top right, you can click on Create Tag. So let's do that. And as you can see right now, I have created a list. So now I can click on Done to add this book to this list. So let's click on Done. Now this book is added. And let's say that we want to add the second part as well. We click on Part 2. Click on the arrow down again and then click on Show My Tags. And then in here, we can see the tag or the list that we just created. And then we can just click on Done and then it will be added to this list. So if we want to access this list, then we can go to the My Books tab in here. Then we scroll down and there we see our tag and that is actually our list. So click on that tag and there you will see the books that you have just added. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing and then I'll see you in the next one.